Hey, how's everybody doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction here in beautiful Seminole, Florida. I am at the home shop today, and I am going to do a little shootout between three traffic film removers that I have been using for quite a while. I'll go over those in just a moment, but I just wanted to give you an overview here of what I am setting up here today. So this is the Honda Insight. I'm going to give you a warning. Never put tape on a Honda Insight which has the tri-white paint unless you have something to remove it with. I personally like Citral 266. You do not want to pull tape off of a vehicle. Trust me, I've done it every which way you can on this vehicle, and it's impossible. And there, I'm not sure how that's going to come out, but there's a little project of mine because, yes, I ran a tape line down the center of the car and learned the hard way. So anyway, I'm going to do this traffic film remover shootout with three different products that I really like. Here in my Zepp, this is the new tall size Zepp industrial size professional spray bottle. This is Rage, now called Dark Fury, from Superior Products. This is at the recommended 1 part product, 4 parts water. And I am going to do this. I don't know how well it will come up, but this has a #1. The car is pretty dirty, and as you can see, I'll give you a close-up. I had the car at a client's house, and of course the yard guy started working, and not only is the car filthy with traffic film, but now it's also nicely spotted up with embedded grass and clippings. This is a product that I have been working with for about, I'd say, about 2 months now. It is called Road Warrior, also from Superior Products. It is a soap degreaser. It is safe for stickers and decals and things like that if you're using it around those areas. They show it on the website as far as being great for, bus drivers and delivery trucks and things like that. You can simply spray it down, wipe, and hose off. So this is #2. I don't know if you can pick up on my beautiful #2. The sun is just kind of coming up. It's early morning. It has been a relative temperature of 110 lately here, so trying to get a nice early start in the morning. #3, this is Purple Power Boat and Vehicle Concentrate. This is well-known high pH. I think it's around 11 or so. A real great cleaner if you're looking to cut through dirt and grime. Right above my finger is the #3. Again, I don't know how well that'll come out. What I wanted to try and do is give a baseline of clean paint. I took some water and a gloved hand. It's my car. I wiped on it with a dirty surface. And then I took a microfiber cloth and tried to just kind of clean down to the actual white below the filth. So that'll be kind of our baseline, how those numbers still stand out. My #1 here right above my finger, it's kind of wide. I got a little messy with my finger painting a little bit ago. So anyway, I've got some weird shadows on the car. Sorry about that, but like I said, it gets so hot so fast here. I mean, I don't know, it's probably 7 o'clock in the morning and it's already like 85 degrees outside. So anyway, we've got #1, #2, and #3. I'm gonna put you on pause, put you on the stand, and we're gonna do some traffic film removing here real quick. All right, hang on with. All right, so aside from the shadows, forgive me for all of that, I'm going to go ahead and give a shoot down of the Rage. This is recommending 30 seconds to 45 seconds of I think I'm actually going to change my mind on that. So I'm going to start out with the Purple Power Boat and Vehicle Pressure Wash Concentrate. This is just a straight up soap at the 4:1 dilution. Trying to get this a little more spread out. Okay. Try not to cross-contaminate at all. I chose the wide tape for that reason. But like I said, before I try and remove that tape, I will shoot it with the Citral 266. So here's the Road Warrior from Superior Products. I should have preset these sprayers. Now, the Road Warrior doesn't have a set dwell time. What I am going to do is, let's say my watch started, which I do have in my pocket, and I am going to give the exact 45 seconds on the Rage. I'm just giving a nice, trying to make it, you know, two kind of passes on that. Here's the Rage. Love the dark goodness. There's also a product that you can find on Amazon that's made here locally that I was using for a long time. I like to switch things up and try different products, but it's called Brown Royal, and I'm sure the products are very similar. That's about 2 passes. Okay. I was prepared here. And we'll give it an extra 10 seconds. So at 35 seconds, I'm going to hose this off. I'll go in this direction, and we'll see just how much was removed without any contact. All right. Another 5 seconds will be about 45. Right in between, probably. I'm going to try to, I'm starting on the window here, I'm going to try to just let this run itself off. I don't want any actual pressure. Because I want it to just be the product itself, just with when it dwells. How much does it actually remove? Just a little light rinsing. Okay, all those grass clippings still stuck on there on both. Okay. With the shadows, I know it's a little difficult. I can still make out the 1. I can pretty easily make out the 2, but it's very light. It has definitely taken off a lot of the dirt and road film. And on number 3 here, it's still very, very apparent that it's there. So the Purple Power didn't really do a whole lot. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to reapply. There's my 1, and there's my 2. Now you think, okay, it's dwelled, it's had some time. And go along these tape lines here in the up and down pattern. I really think the Road Warrior is just a nose ahead. I'm surprised that none of these products release the grass clippings stuck to the car. I kind of thought it would do a little better. Like I said, I know the pH is kind of up there on the Purple Power vehicle boat wash at a 4-to-1 ratio. I don't know. Got the timer on again. Don't know exactly. I don't know exactly the pH. I should have probably looked that up before doing this video on the Road Warrior. I was thinking that it was a pH neutral product, but then again, it is a degreaser and a soap all in one. So it's kind of a cool product. And I gotta tell you, as I'm looking at the 2 and the 3, it looks like the Road Warrior has far removed much more traffic film than the vehicle boat. A little harder to tell on the Rage. We got 45 seconds. There's 45 right there. Now I'm going to, in this one, I'm going to give a little more pressure. I'm going to try and be, pretty even on how I got that. There was a little bit of Rage that cross-contaminated there. So there's, garden hose pressure. It's got, I'd say, medium pressure out of this garden hose. Okay, approximately even amount of pressure. Well, I'm going to technically award, wow, I'll tell you. So let me make another line across here. It is barely distinguishable. I had a little bit of dirt left here. I'm going to give the one swipe across about the same distance. Still a fair amount of dirt on there, but really that too is very hard to make out. It really did a great job. A lot of dirt across there. The 3, very easy to see. I would say that the Purple Power is the loser in this battle. I'm actually, it's a real tough choice between the Rage and the Road Warrior. They both did a great job. You can't go wrong. I will say that I have been putting 4 ounces of Road Warrior in my soap dispenser on the pressure washer, and it's been doing an amazing job with 4 ounces. You have the soap nozzle onto the pressure washer gun itself, and it gives you enough with that to get just a nice good coating on the car. I've never really understood the thick foamy foam cannons and all of that. The contact surface on your car is all that's doing anything. Does it help remove with no agitation? Even powerful, straight up cleaners still have a really hard time. Now, I do like to use pre-treats, and that's why I was really interested in comparing the Rage with the Road Warrior. and in my mind, they do about an equal job. The cost, the 4-to-1 ratio is recommended on both of them. The Road Warrior, I think, comes in better at cost, and anyway, it's just something that I've been playing around with, and I want to share with all of you. If you've gotten any good tips out of this or found anything helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Don't hesitate to comment, like, share. If you're seeing this on some platform other than YouTube, I am starting to market myself out there on a bunch of different platforms. So I thank you for being with me. Please subscribe, hit the bell. You'll get notifications. I have a bunch of videos all stacked up in the computer and ready to go with them. Been doing a little more editing and things like that. So thanks a lot. Appreciate it. And until next time, enjoy making your vehicles beautiful.